Hey guys, BikeBlogger here. For a ride on my cross bike. It's a nice day today. 65 degrees. The sun's going down though. Took the studs off my took the studded tires off my bike. So now we got the 19 miles per hour. Now we got the regular ones going again. 20 miles per hour. Be a little cold. 21 miles per hour. Creve Coeur Park. I'm going to the Page extension, which leads to the Katy Trail. What I want to do is at least get to the bridge, the Page Bridge. I don't think we'll be able to get there before it gets dark though. So this is my second day with this new camera. One way. Okay. Gotta climb up the ramp now. Pardon me. Whew. Oh my. Try not to lose my momentum. So to my right is Highway 364. I guess it's like the Maryland Heights Expressway or the Page Expressway. I'm not sure the name of it. Dropping pretty quickly here. Now that the sun's sort of gone behind the trees. km/h gauge on this bike computer, but you can't swap between the two easily. I live in the United States, I'm used to miles per hour, so that's why I got it set to. Even though I know the rest of the world uses km/h. So, if you're curious on the fly, how fast I'm going in km/h, just take miles per hour and multiply by 2.2. That's the conversion multiplier. So when I'm saying I'm going like 26 miles per hour times 2.2, it's like I'm going over 50 km/h. I guess about 55, 56. Right now I'm going 18 miles per hour, so that would be times 2 is 36, plus an additional 20%. So I'm going maybe 38, 39 km/h right now. I hope I have that conversion right. So yeah, the sun is set, so you can see the pretty sunset. I'm, like I said before, I'm taking the, this is called the Page extension, or the Page connector to the Katy Trail from Creve Coeur Park. So if you ever wondered how to get to the Katy Trail in St. Charles County, Missouri, from Creve Coeur Park in, I guess, Maryland Heights, Missouri, this is the way you would go. This is the connector you take. Not allowed on the, I don't think bikes are allowed on the highway, and I wouldn't want to do that anyway. It's no fun. Here I got my own, I got a road all to myself. I did remember to bring water with me. I don't have much though. So one thing different with this bike is I got extra light tires, tubes. So now my bike is about 23 pounds with fenders, disc brakes. It's pretty good. Tunnel. Well, I'm happy it's still light out. I'm really fighting against the sun right now. I'm gonna have to use my flashlight coming back, because it's gonna be too dark for the video to really pick up much anything. So I don't think there are really any street lights or anything out here. Certainly not out in the middle of nowhere though. There's a big highway next to me. So I don't know if you can see in the distance, there's a bridge that crosses the river up there. I believe that's the Missouri River. I have to look it up when I get back home. Anyway, I know the Missouri River. I think that's the longest river next to the Ohio River in the United States. It runs from, I don't know, Minnesota or Montana or somewhere up north in the United States, and it connects into the Mississippi River here in St. Louis. I guess it's the longest if you consider that its length sort of combines with the Mississippi River, which is a very long north-south river in the United States. goes all the way down to Louisiana and New Orleans, I think. I think that's where it dumps into the Gulf of Mexico. So yeah, now you can probably see those bridges pretty good. Yeah, I have yet to really test this new camera in the bright sunlight. The last video I did was at night in the rain and snow and the cold. It's warmer today. It's gonna be warmer tomorrow. I might go out tomorrow during the daytime and try to capture some footage. But now it's like low light. It's the sun is set or is setting. Sort of dim out here right now. Okay, I'm gonna go onto the highway here, and then I'm gonna come out the other side. All right, that didn't take as long as I thought it would to get to this bridge. I guess it took me about 30 minutes to get out here. Although I don't know I think it was less than that. I might have forgotten to reset my bike computer when I left. There we go. This is where I wanted to get to. So now the highway is on my left. Now they got this pedestrian bikeway that crosses the river with the highway. So this is really nice. This has been here for a while. Sorry for the noise, I'm next to a highway. This has been here for a while. They just completed another bridge, I think, further south from here that also has a bikeway across it. So you can travel by bike or on foot between St. Louis County and St. Charles County. They're adjacent counties connected together by this river. So what I'm going to do here is I just want to get all the way up onto the bridge here, take a shot of the river here on my right, turn around and go back. I'm going to turn on my bike lights when I go back here, because it's getting darker now. Even though there aren't really any cars to worry about on this trail system, there are other bikers and pedestrians, and I don't want to frighten or startle them, so. Whew. 15 miles per hour. So I'm going like 32 kilometers per hour right now. Stop right here, I think. Oh boy. I saw this in New York City. A bunch of people sticking all their locks on the fence line here. Let me just get a shot of this. My bike in the frame. Whew. Looking cool. Looking cool. So yeah, this is the over there. You might not be able to really see it. Over there, there's a trail down near the river. That's the Katy Trail. It's a rails to trails bikeway. It stretches across at least half of the state of Missouri, some 260 miles, I think, one way. So if you did the whole thing round trip, that'd be somewhere over 500 miles, I guess. I've ridden about a third of it. Haven't gone the full length. I'll snap some video of it in the future, so. Anyway, I'm gonna head back now. Turn on my lights here. that was really cool. My light. Okay. Watch out for other bikers. Alright, so now I'm just gonna head back. I just wanted to show you guys that today before it got really dark. Hopefully you got some good shots of the neat big river there. I wish I lived near a big body of water like an ocean, but this region isn't too bad. You got the confluence of the Mississippi River and the Missouri River. I think it's the largest confluence of rivers in the United States. So you got some moving rivers, bodies of water around here. So it's not totally just desert or just totally mountains or just totally, you know, I mean, there's a little bit of a variance in this part of the region. I like to consider the St. Louis is a rolling hills sort of terrain, and St. Charles County, which is just across the bridge, I just love that, is flats. I mean, it's like floodplains and not a whole lot of elevation change. So that can be nice and easy going. So now we head back. Some of the floodplains I was talking about. See, 18 miles per hour. So that was cool. Oh, it's so nice to not have my studded tires on anymore. 23 miles per hour, I can really amp it up now. I feel like I can go a lot faster. So yeah, before I really got started, the sun is set, and it doesn't mean, like, you know, when they say sunset, that doesn't mean it's completely dark all of a sudden. It just means basically the beginning of twilight, or what I think photographers call blue hour. So that usually lasts 30 minutes. I've been going for like 32 minutes, so before I get back, it'll probably be pitch black. So there are a lot of rides out here where I don't ride most of the time. Maybe a weekend sort of thing. Get some good exercise in. I think doing videos out here might make a good series for training at home, you know, like good biking videos to just watch, because you can go for hours out here on relatively flat terrain. It's pretty darn easy going. But where I ride most of the time, I mean, probably 95% of the time, really, is closer to downtown St. Louis and the inner suburbs, where there's many more rolling hills and traffic, and I think it just makes for a more exciting video. But it is nice to be able to just come right out here to the country and see what it's all about. You know, it breaks it up a bit, you know, gives us some good variation. 18 miles per hour. They do not plow or salt these trails, so I probably could have ridden my road bike out here today. Nice warm weather, or cooler weather, or warmer, not super cold weather. So we're gonna go back to the tunnel here to my left. I don't think the right goes much anywhere. We can go explore another time. Woo. BikeBlogger. That's funny. It's fun to hear your own echo. Okay. 18 miles per hour. So I'm riding with some cycling shoes. I typically ride, especially in this warmer weather when it's above 60 degrees Fahrenheit, or there's a conversion thing there again, the rest of the world, above 20 Celsius. I'll wear cycling sandals and maybe no socks at all. It feels really nice. But when it rains or it's really cold, it can be really uncomfortable or nasty because you can get stuff stuck between your toes and whatnot. It's not particularly safe or fun, but I really like my cycling sandals, and I probably could have worn them today because I'm not really riding on the streets. They're very comfortable most of the time. Katy Trail, which I'll show you guys in a future video sometime. It's a rail to trail, I guess what they call it. It used to be a long railroad track, and now it's just a really long gravel trail. Rail to trails typically are very flat, easy going. You can pick up some good get some good mileage in. No stopping necessary for the most part, except for a few intersections here and there. Cars. So as you can tell, it's getting darker now. It's a smoother going ride. Climb up to this bridge overpass here. it has something to do with being underneath the highway or something. The air currents are just colder as the heavier molecules fall. All the turbulence that the cars create. Highway to my left. Alright, so one more bridge here. We'll circle back down over there. Down there. Woo. Up here in a second and go downhill, gain back some elevation. Woo. Touch the handrail, don't fall. Touch the handrail, don't fall. There we go. Grabbing the handrail here. Woo. Up, up, up. Okay. About 43 kph. Oh. See, I do have a bright light. I'm not going to turn on though. Sure I will. There we go. Boom, boom. Really bright. I have a really bright light. I'll probably use it when I go out in the country more, on the Katy Trail or something far away from all the cars. It's not nice to start a wildlife though either. 40 kph. Gradual climb here. So there's still some light. Oh, a couple deer. Yeah, don't know if you caught that. A couple deer there. Aren't quite, how did I miss that? I wasn't even paying attention. Another deer. See that deer over there? Oh, I'm not even paying attention. I had a run-in with some deer before when on my bike rides out here. I think they tend to come out during sunset and whatnot.